So we got her on leash, and I gotta get him some water. But I'll tell you about what I'm deciding to do. So I was telling you about Daniel Arms and his video. I've been watching him for months and months and learning everything I can possibly learn about goats from him. I've probably watched every single one of his channels. Every single one of them. Or channels, every single one of his videos. I probably watched every single one of them. Because I just wanted to know everything, and I really like him. I like his family, and I like him. So I started watching him, and I was learning about Kiko goats. This is what he has. He has Kiko goats. And I think he still has a couple, like 4 or something like that. So I wanted to get Kiko goats, and I live out in Illinois. He is in Oklahoma. But I live in Illinois, and around here, there's like no Kiko goats. I would have to drive like 3 or 4 hours for some Kiko goats. But there's a lot of boar around here. So I was like, okay, let me start with some boar. And this is Jasmine. So I was like, okay, I'll start with boar. So I found a boar buckling about an hour and a half away from me. And he is gorgeous. He's dapple, and we're going to get him, I want to say next weekend. I'm not for sure. My husband set up the date and everything. So, I got him, and everything that I have read and everything that I've watched on Daniel's channel says, you know, don't just buy one goat. You can't just buy one goat because they won't be happy. They'll get lonely and all that stuff. They're a herd animal, so you have to have at least 2. So then I have a friend who sells like some smaller ones. I want to say, I don't remember exactly what he is. I want to say Nigerian, and it's Oberhasli. I don't know, Oberhasli. I don't know, I'll ask her how to pronounce it. But I got him, and he's going to be a wether. He's going to stay in the pen with the boar buckling until we get some does. We're just going to try those 2 out for a few weeks and so, and then get a doe before kidding season. This is our little garden. We got an eggplant here. We need to weed it. We got an eggplant. I believe those are sweet potatoes. These are, oh no, those are tomatoes. These are sweet potatoes. These are all peppers and a zucchini plant. There was 2 zucchini plants, but Farm and Home had a horrible selection this year on their plants, and there was no zucchini plants left. So we got some junky zucchini plants, and only one of them seems to make it so far. But everything else is about doubled in size. And I'll show you real quick. This is the goat pen. We have been working on it this weekend. We got 2 sides of it done. Gotten this side here done, and that back side. This is the burn pile. Excuse the burn pile. It's getting burnt. We got that back side done. We just have to get down there done and through here. And I'm out here early this morning because the buffalo gnats, holy moly, we're in Illinois, like I said, and the buffalo gnats, about mid-afternoon, whew, they are all over you, tearing you up and all over your face. They're just ridiculous, I tell you, ridiculous. So I get up early in the morning with my husband when he goes to work, and I get all the animals taken care of, so then I don't have to try to wrangle 2 kids and all that stuff while I'm doing it. So it's right here. I'm gonna get the water and the food out for the chickies. I have learned that chickens are like one of the messiest animals in the world. They're just so messy. They don't care. They're like, me. I knock this over. I'll poop on it. They're out of water. Just what I do every morning. It's my little morning routine, if you will. Alright, get the chickies some water. So, give them their water. You can hear them, they're ready. They're pretty good. So I got them set up in this little brooder here. And it's just a tote from Walmart. Because I don't have one of the metal like feed troughs or anything. Got a tote from Walmart. Put water in there. We had to put some chicken wire over it. If not, they were all getting out and all around the garage. So now I need some food. Let's grab some food. And like I said, I am just starting out to this YouTube thing, so I don't have any tripods. I don't have the fancy stuff, but you know, you don't have to have it, you know? If people want to watch about my experience and all that, then they'll watch it. It's not because it has fancy montages and stuff like that. It's because they're interested in what I'm doing. It's because they're interested in what I'm doing. But anyhow, here's the bucket out. See, this is what I'm talking about. The chickens are messy animals. They've peed and, well, they don't pee, but everything comes out the same hole. They have messed their food all up. So they're kind of a messy animal. I've learned. I come here and I kind of knock this off and try to get all this gunk out of here because you don't want them eating their feces. I mean, that's how you get sick chickens. Well, they're through the stage now pretty much that you don't have to worry about poopy butt anymore. I would show you if I had little ones. Like, they will, when they're small, they will have, and they still are just fuzzy, they will get poop stuck on their butt, on their vent, I guess is what it's called. And it'll get clogged and they won't be able to poop. So they will get clogged up and they'll eventually die. And I'm assuming that's probably a horrible, slow, painful death. But I only lost 2 chickens and none of them were from poopy butt. It was from, one was shipping and the other one when we got it, it was kind of like not looking so hot. So it was mostly like just kind of, I guess you can call them dud birds. I mean, they're not duds, but you know what I mean. Figure out a way to sit you. There you go. It's pretty warm here in Illinois right now. It's the middle of summer. But I keep this heat lamp on because it's red, and supposedly the red light is supposed to keep them from pecking each other. And I'll give you guys a little shot of the birds. There they're eating it up. We got some black giants, we got bark rock, some speckled Sussex, and that's that white guy right there. He was an exotic one. If you order so many, excuse me, they give you an exotic, free exotic bird. So that was our free exotic. And I'm not quite sure what he is yet. I'm thinking he's a Cochin. Because you just kind of have to look at the chicks in the catalog and kind of judge it yourself, because like I said, they don't tell you. They just grab one and throw it in there. I don't know if it's a hen or a rooster, but I don't know. The 2 that we lost look like the roosters that we ordered, so I'm hoping that it's not both of our roosters that we lost, and if it is, then hopefully that guy is our free one is a rooster, so then we have a rooster and we have fertilized eggs and we can hatch it. Because I want everything to like I don't want to have, I mean, I love animals, but I don't want to have them just to pay for them and then be pets. You know what I mean? Like, I want, okay, I got chickens because I want eggs. I don't want to be able to have eggs and have babies and have more chickens without having to pay for them from the hatchery. And the goats, I got the goats because I want to be able to sell their kids. I bought meat goats because I wanted a bigger, like, beefier goat. I didn't want a little bitty goat. If I got goats, I wanted them big. So that's why I got the meat goats, because they tend to be bigger and all that. So I'm washing my hands. Give me some hands. But I got 4 goats just because I like the way they look and I wanted a bigger goat. At this point, I have no intention of eating them, because if I name something and I give it a name, I can't eat it after I name it. I mean, I'm not going to name my chickens, I don't think. I mean, it's going to be the chickens. So if something happens and we have to, eat one, then we got to eat one, because they don't have names, so it'll be okay. Once I name something, it's like, you name your dog and you name your cats and all that stuff. So it's kind of hard to, you couldn't eat your cats or your dogs. I'm going to pause this here.
Did you have a good night last night?
But yeah, this is my
Sleep so good?
very first video.
Yeah.
And I know it's probably like a train wreck, okay? But you got to start somewhere. You have to start somewhere. If you don't start, I mean, how are you gonna do it? I mean, you can't say, I want to be a pro football player, but I'm not going to start until they hire me for the quarterback for whatever one you want to be on. You can't, you just got to go and jump in and do it. So this is my very first video. I'm trying. I mean, it's a learning experience, I'm sure. But I'll give you a quick little overview of our land here. So, we own all the way to that field. All the way down to the corner over there of that field. That's our pond. It's not stocked right now. We own all the way to that field. And we own all the way to that field. So we have some property here, and our little goats are going to be down in there. And this is my porch, so I can see them from where I am, but they're far enough away that, it's not going to have my house up here stinking or nothing when, ever it's time for them to mate and they're acting a fool and stinking, But, I think that's all I have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe button down there, and subscribe and like this video, and we'll see you on the next video.